Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welding boots. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, think all work boots protect equally? That's a myth. I'm a safety footwear specialist with years in industrial safety. Many boots lack true protection for welders and construction workers. Let's talk about real risks: sparks, heavy impacts, sharp objects. GLANOUDUN welding work boots address every one of these dangers. First, the premium suede leather upper shields against flying sparks. Their steel toe resists Tunajinja impact, 15,000 N compression, and ISO 20345 certified. That means your toes stay safe from falling tools or materials. The Kevlar midsole withstands 1 to 100 N puncture force, lighter than steel plates. No more worrying about nails or sharp debris piercing your sole. Heat-resistant rubber sole protects up to 200 degrees, ideal for welding environments. You get safety and comfort, even during long shifts. Clients report fewer injuries and more confidence on the job. Why settle for less? Upgrade to GLANOUDUN. Protect your feet. Stay safe, stay comfortable. Click now to get yours. Number 4, CAT Men's Threshold Waterproof Steel Toe Work Boot. Tired of wet, unsafe, uncomfortable work boots? Imagine working outdoors, rain pouring, ground slick. You need boots that keep you dry and steady. Meet CAT Men's Threshold Waterproof Steel Toe Work Boot. Waterproof design shields your feet from rain and mud. Slip-resistant outsole keeps you safe on any surface. Steel toe protection guards against heavy impacts. Premium leather upper ensures long-lasting durability. Soft removable insole delivers all-day comfort. No more sore feet after long shifts. Stay focused. No distractions from wet or tired feet. Engineered for construction workers and outdoor laborers. Trusted CAT quality at a great price. Upgrade your workday. Choose safety and comfort. Step up with CAT Threshold boots today. Number 3, HISEA NINGO Men's Steel Toe Work Boots. Tired of sore feet and soggy socks on the job? Imagine working outdoors, rain, mud, or rough terrain. Meet HISEA NINGO Men's Steel Toe Work Boots. Waterproof seamed seals keep your feet dry all day. Full grain leather and Goodyear welt construction mean lasting durability. Oil and slip-resistant rubber outsole for secure footing anywhere. ASTM F241318 certified steel toe protects against heavy impacts. Electrical hazard protection keeps you safe in risky environments. Breathable, moisture-wicking mesh lining prevents sweat and discomfort. Shock-absorbing footbed reduces fatigue and returns energy. Gel-padded insole and iron shank add comfort and stability. Wide round toe and pull tabs make them easy to slip on. 90-degree heel delivers extra stability on uneven ground. Perfect for construction, factories, farms, or outdoor adventures. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year quality assurance. Upgrade your workday. Choose HISEA NINGO boots for comfort and safety. Number 2, SAFETOE welding boots for men. Tired of unsafe, uncomfortable boots on tough jobs? Meet SAFETOE welding boots, engineered for extreme protection. Imagine welding, construction, or mechanical work, your feet fully shielded. Crafted from 100% Nubuck cow leather for durability and flexibility. 300-degree heat-resistant outsole keeps you safe in fiery environments. Composite toe cap and ABS metatarsal guard prevent crushing injuries. Kevlar anti-nail midsole offers puncture resistance against sharp hazards. Water-repellent leather and fire-resistant stitching block sparks and spills. SRC certified slip-resistant sole ensures stability on slick surfaces. Air-Cool Max insole delivers breathable anti-slip memory foam comfort. Shock absorption and anti-static design reduce fatigue on long shifts. Stay cool in summer, warm in winter, thanks to advanced fiber structure. Perfect for welders, construction pros, mechanics, and industrial workers. 30-day money back and 6-month warranty. Risk-free upgrade. Don't compromise. Step up your safety and comfort today. Choose SAFETOE welding boots. Your feet deserve the best protection. Number 1, Timberland PRO Men's External Metguard. Many believe all work boots offer equal protection, but not all boots are built for real job site hazards. I'm a safety equipment specialist with years in industrial footwear. Foot injuries are common, often from overlooked metatarsal risks. Standard boots may protect toes, but not the entire foot. That's why I recommend Timberland PRO External Metguard boots. They feature an asymmetrical steel safety toe for maximum coverage. The external ABS metatarsal guard is hinged for comfort, even when squatting. Everguard waterproof leather keeps feet dry in harsh conditions. Goodyear welt construction with Kevlar thread ensures lasting durability. These boots also provide electrical hazard protection for added safety. Slip-resistant soles help prevent falls on oily or wet surfaces. Industrial workers report fewer injuries and greater comfort on long shifts. Choose Timberland PRO for reliable all-day protection at work. Upgrade your safety. Step into Timberland PRO Metguard boots today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.